How to get free rewards on Binance. So the most common ways to get rewards from Binance is to complete tasks and missions. For example, tasks such as signing up or completing KYC verification or making your first trade, depositing first assets, or using specific features such as the convert or earn. You can visit the rewards center to see more. You can simply click on the search bar here and search for rewards, and then click on the rewards hub or rewards center. Now you should find the My Tasks tab, which has ongoing tasks and past tasks. You want to focus on the ongoing. You can simply click on the Go button here, and you can read more about it. So for example, here there is a right to earn, which basically gives you a reward if you post on Binance Square up to 15% trading fee commission and share a limited time bonus pool of 5,000 USDC. And you can read more about the steps here, how to participate and do it. And in the rewards hub, you can find many tasks here, and you can access the past tasks by switching to the past tab here to view them. And the second most common way to earn from Binance is using their referral program. You basically invite your friends using your referral link, and once they sign up and trade, you earn a share of their trading fees, and they may get sign up bonuses too if they sign up using your link. And to access the referral, you can simply type in the search bar refer like this and search for it. Now you can click on the referral under the functions, and this will basically give you a link or a referral link for you specifically to share with people and friends to invite them to Binance and use Binance. And the last way to earn is through launch pools and launch pads, which basically means staking on new coins, because Binance offers new tokens to users who stake BNB or BUSD for rewards. So you can participate in those tokens launch events and earn from them. And to access the launch pool, you want to simply click on the search bar here and search for launch pool, and click on the launch pool that has function next to it. And then click on launch pool again, which has the rocket icon. And you can subscribe and turn on the notification here to receive notifications as soon as new tokens come out or new launch pool projects. And at the bottom you can see the completed projects or the new tokens. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.